Hi, this is Rishi from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. Here you will hear me read out stories for you. After every sentence, there's a gap. Just repeat what you hear in the gap. You can switch on subtitles if you like. Bunny and Minnie. Bunny the rabbit and Minnie the monkey lived in the same jungle. Both were active and smart animals. Each of them used to think that he was the best between the two. Bunny and Minnie were very quick and active. They were neighbors. Bunny lived in the burrow of the same tree on which Minnie used to live. Each one of them would try to prove himself smarter than the other. One day, Bunny bought an expensive ring for his sister Honey, who lived in another jungle. He wanted to present this ring on her birthday the next week. While Bunny was coming out of the jewelry shop, Kobe the snake saw him. He also saw that Bunny was carrying an expensive ring in his hand. That very moment, Kobe decided that he would steal the ring. Hi, this is Rishi from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. I hope that you're repeating the sentences. That night, Bunny was out for a walk. After his dinner, and Minnie was sitting on the top branch of the tree. He saw something crawling towards the bottom of the tree. As he looked close, he saw that Kobe was crawling quietly inside Bunny's burrow. Minnie quietly went to where Bunny was having a walk and told him all the matter. Bunny thought of an idea. He said something in Minnie's ear, and both rushed to the burrow. Minnie collected lots of mud and started filling Bunny's burrow. Kobe shouted from inside, "Stop! Stop throwing mud inside." But Bunny and Minnie kept on filling the burrow. Hi, this is Rishi from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. I hope that you're speaking loudly and clearly. After some time, Kobe's voice stopped coming. By then, many animals had gathered there, and someone had also informed the jungle police inspector, the tiger. The tiger asked his men to take out the dead body of Kobe. Bunny took out his ring and kept it safely in Minnie's house. Everyone in the jungle was happy to see Kobe dead because he was a thief. The wise owl called both Minnie and Bunny together and said, "Both of you have done a wonderful job. See how good it is. to be helpful and friendly with one another. Minnie said, "You're right. We will be friends now and will help each other always." Bunny also spoke up. "We will never fight with each other." Thus, Bunny and Minnie became best friends forever. Hi, this is Rishi again from ImpactLanguageTraining.com. Just to remind you that you can listen to another story right now. The more you practice, the more you will improve.